Hello and thank you for watching. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of Boxycharm. This is a $21 a month subscription and you get at least 4 to 5 full-size items, ranging from makeup to skincare and all that good stuff. This is my second month actually, and I am very excited. I did open it up, but I have not swatched anything. I have not tried anything. And if this is the first time that you are at my channel, please subscribe down below. I do a lot of unboxings like this and they will just keep coming. So the first thing before I actually get into the unboxing is I want to just show you what I have on my face. I just threw something on real quick and so that I looked halfway awake because it is pretty late. So the first thing that the primer that I use is something that we received in a Ricky's Cult Crushes, and it is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. And I do actually like this. It's pretty good. I have oily skin, and usually things like this sometimes make it worse, but for me it's been pretty good. I'm gonna show you real quick if I can show you a swatch of that. Okay, so it's like that gel consistency, so when you rub it in it has like a silicone-y feel, but it does absorb pretty nicely once you rub it in. And let's see if you can see a difference once I get that in. I mean a little bit. If you see, this is with and this is without, so I don't know if we can do like a side-by-side comparison. All right, well, anyway, that's the primer I have on my face. The brows is Cella eyebrow crayon, and it's in Elegant Ebony because my eyebrows are pretty dark and I like to keep them dark, and so it's like a black. This is what it looks like. It's just a regular eyebrow pencil. It has the spoolie at the end of it, and it's very similar to like the Benefit. Oh my god, don't tell me that I just all right, so I can't really show you because, oh wait, there it is. I was gonna say I just used it all up, but I didn't. So that's the tip of it, and it goes on pretty nicely. It's very it goes on very lightly, very wispy. It reminds me of the Benefit a little bit. I mean, you can't compare it to the Benefit pencil, but I do like to sometimes use this instead of that. Also for foundation, I received this Dior Skin Forever Undercover 24-hour wear full coverage weightless foundation, and it's in 030, and I like this very much. So this is what I have on my face right now, and it is pretty light. It seems good for my skin. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I'm getting some breakouts. I think they're hormonal. I hope that they go away soon, but I am gonna be doing a video on a little Sephora haul that I did, just a few little purchases of things that I've been wanting to try. So I'm gonna do that video pretty soon. The next thing that I'm using on my face is I put a little concealer under my eye, and that I only did a little light concealer with the Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer, and that is this right here, and that's in the color, it's number 2. So if you could see that, I don't know if you can see that, but it is good for, you know, my complexion. It seems to work out pretty nicely. And then the last thing I put on my face, I didn't put eyeshadow or anything on because there are some things that in my unboxings that I'm gonna be trying on, is this another Benefit product, which is the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I've been loving this. This is like incredible. This really works amazing. All I did was I put a little bit on the corners to give it like a slight wing effect, so I didn't have to put any eyeliner on, and it seemed to work pretty good. All I did was, first of all, look at this brush. Look how cool that brush is. I always thought this was pretty cool. So all I did was I kind of like just did it in the corners, an angle like this, and it seemed to work nicely. All right, so enough of all that. Let's get into the Boxycharm. And this month is their anniversary, I believe, and it is the theme is Boxy Bash. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. And you get a card that looks like this, and on the back it does tell you all the products, and it gives you the prices, which I love, and it also gives you a few coupon codes for some of the products that are in this box. So the first thing that I'm gonna go for in here, and this is a variant item, I believe, is the matte lip gloss by Beauty Creations, and it comes in a box like this, and it actually has the little Boxycharm logo on it, and it is in the color Kiss Me. And let's see, I actually did open this up and I swatched it quickly, and it is, when they say long wear, it's long wear. This is what it looks like. It is Beauty Creations. This is the color. It is pretty. It's like a raspberry-ish color. I'll tell you, I don't know why they call it a lip gloss, because it's more like a matte liquid lipstick, but let's see, it has the regular doe foot applicator. It feels very like whippy, like very light when in here. Let's see, so that's the applicator, okay, and that's the color. So let's just swatch this really quickly. This is gonna probably stay on my skin forever. I had to scrub this off even with like makeup remover, so I'm not even gonna put it on. I may not even keep this color. I'm not sure, I might give it away, but this is the color. It is very pretty. I'll see if I wear it. Not quite sure yet, but that is the first thing in this box, and it does say that the value of this is $10. And it says Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So that's that. The second thing that I'm gonna pull out is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is what I'm most excited about. Anything that says it blurs pores or anything, I'm very good with. I don't know if that's focusing. I don't see that that's focusing. Hopefully it is. I don't know, but this is the blurring primer. It says a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look. I'll take it. Anything that says that, I will try it out. It says the same thing on the card. So creates a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application, and it says that the price of this is $38, and this is full size. This does have a safety seal, so if anybody's looking to swap that, it does have that seal, but I'm going to open it up now. Let's see, let's put it on this hand. So oh, it has that like the Benefit primer. That's what it looks like. It has that that color, but I believe it's gonna just sink right in. Wow, look at that. It does have that silicone-y feel to it, but it kind of feels just like the one I was showing you from LA Girl, but this definitely, wow. This feels really silky, and it really did blur some imperfections in this hand. So that's this hand, and that's, I mean, I think you could see a little bit. So I'm excited to try that, definitely. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is the Aesthetica P12 face brush. It comes in this plastic, and it says the value of this is $27. It says with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. So this is the brush, and I love getting brushes, so I'm happy with brushes all the time. This feels so nice. Wow, it's so soft. There is something in this box that I'm sure we could use this for, so let's see. The next thing is also from Aesthetica. And I don't know if I said it, but that was $27, that brush. Is also from Aesthetica, and it's the 3-piece eye trio, and I'm gonna unwrap it all, but it comes like this. And it says the Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled, yeah, I'll take it out and read it at the same time. It comes with an angled liner brush. That is, so that's this angled liner brush. It comes with a brow spoolie. So that's always good to have. I always like to have one of these, you know, without a pencil. So you could just like, I don't know, you could travel with it and stuff. And what else? And then it comes with a fine, where am I? A fine tipped eyeliner brush. So this is just a fine tipped eyeliner brush to, and it says a convenient 3-in-1. It's used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So this is that that fine tipped eyeliner brush, and I like to keep this on the little plastic piece. I like to, you know, obviously I take it off when I'm using it, but I do like to put it back on when I'm done. It kind of just protects the tip, and it's very, I'll let you know that it's very stiff, so that's nice. That should give you a good, precise line if that's what you're looking for. Okay, now hopefully I can get this back on. Okay, so those are the brushes. And there are 2 more things, and I was saving the best for last. So the next thing, which is so cute, I was so excited because I saw the spoiler for this, and this is the Pretty Vulgar ink gel eyeliner, and look how cute that is. Look at that. It looks like one of those ink pots from like a long time ago, and you use the feather to write with. So, and it even has a little feather on it. It's so cute. It's a little gel pop. It did not have any seal on this, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see inside this. It's not filled to the top. It actually has some space inside. I'm just gonna try to, yeah, it has some space, so it starts like down here, but it is all black. It looks really nice. Let's see. I don't know if let's try this a little bit. Let's just swatch it. I'm gonna use the angled. Wow. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Look at that line. That is precise. And for me, for someone like me who always has trouble, this is amazing. Wow, I am so excited for that. That's gonna be great. So it says here, this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick dry-on application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And this is $24, and this is the full size. So I can't wait to try that. Now, last but not least is the Pure Sculptor palette. And it did come, I want to show you how it came sealed. It came in this little sleeve. And then it did have bubble wrap around this, but I got rid of it already. And then it comes in this little plastic. And it did have 2 stickers here sealing it shut, because I'm trying to open it. I'm like, I can't get it open, but it was sealed. So I took those off so that when I made this video, it didn't take me another 10 minutes to try to get the plastic off. But this is the Sculptor palette. And it says a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. And this is $30. So it does have a mirror on it. On one side has the protector, and then these are the colors. These are the shades. They're a little dark, the contour. So I wouldn't go in with it with a heavy hand. And then these are the highlighters, which look very pretty. I'm gonna swatch all of them. So let's do the highlighters first. Let's see, where am I gonna throw this? Wow, okay. So that right here, if you could see that highlighter is called Originator, and that's this one right here. Then I'm gonna try, this is called Trailblazer. And let's throw that over here. This is more like a golden color. Let's see. I don't know if you could see that, but that's more like a golden color, which I like when I'm nice and bronzed. So if you can see, that's more on the lighter side, and then this is more like the bronzy golden color, and that's called Trailblazer, and that is this one right here. Now let's try the contours. I don't know if I can get these off. We'll try the other hand. All right, so the first one I'm gonna try is the lighter shade, and it's called Inventor. Wow, it's so creamy. The formulas are really creamy. So, wow, highly pigmented. I could probably definitely work with this. This is the lighter shade. I could probably work with it, just going real light with it. I mean, I don't know how this is gonna work for fair shades, but for my skin complexion and maybe like more, maybe a little lighter, it may work. So that's called that's called Inventor, and that was this one right here. And then the last one on here is called Founder. This is the darkest one. Yeah, you could see that it's definitely darker. And that is, I mean, you could see the difference. That it's right there. That is the color called Founder, and it's definitely dark. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use that, but I might try to use it as like an eyeshadow, like to make it, like put in the outer edge, outer corner. So maybe that'll work. So if you did receive this and you're thinking it's too dark, try it as an eyeshadow. That's what I would do. But anyway, that's it for Boxycharm. I am very excited. This is only my second box, and I am very happy with it. I can't wait to see what comes next, the next few months. So keep a lookout for the rest of my videos. I will be doing a lot of unboxings, so subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. That's where I do most of my stuff, and it is skincare_glam. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I see you again soon. Bye.